Two policemen facing murder charges made their first court appearance today, weeks after the high-profile shooting, high-speed chase and killings in St. Catherine. The court has ordered that they both be kept in custody at least until July 2. TVJ's Kirk Wright was in court and has the details.
On Monday, Corporals Ramon Scott and Kirk Fraser, the two policemen involved in the Shedwin Park shooting death of a businessman, did not get bail when they appeared in court. Both men looked calm and composed as they stood before presiding Judge Crescentia Brown Beckford with their attorneys, while the Director of Public Prosecutions, Paula Llewellyn, read out the charges against them. The cops are both charged with the murder of Sheldon Jr. Biggs Daly, illegal possession of firearm, illegal possession of ammunition, shooting with intent, and manslaughter. The DPP told the court that she's awaiting hard copies of the post-mortem and ballistics report, as well as a statement from the superintendent in charge of the St. Catherine North Police on aspects of the case, a statement from a locksmith, and forensic report in respect of DNA material on the firearms. A report on the cell phone taken from Corporal Ramon Scott is also outstanding. The DPP says it will take 1 month for the documents to be submitted. Both cops were ordered to give their fingerprints to the police. Corporal Fraser is being represented by attorney Valerie Nita Robertson, while attorney Althea Grant represents Corporal Scott. Mrs. Nita Robertson says she was unable to make a bail application on behalf of her client as she was awaiting the documents from the prosecution relating to the case. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.